they also made their ships very garish, sometimes lots of bright colours on them. The idea being is that they were a very vicious group of people, the Vikings, and it would often scare their enemies away. Once they saw their boats coming towards them, they're all red, green, all these different colours, they'd run away because they were scared of the colour. What?
They wanted to see them coming.
Yeah, that's it, right. Alright, so I'm going to make a little sun on here, and so, little sun. Okay. I can give this sail a little bit of looking like it's moving as well by going back to this little tool and remember it now, and then look at it when I've done a few little simple cuts. It should look like it's like whistling, shifting in the wind a little bit with those little curly lines. That's the sail done. Easy. Oars, straight forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Try and keep these as even as possible. Okay, a little bit of movement on these needed, so I'm just going to so we've got 4 oars, all at the same. Now we can put our boat together. We're done. Didn't take long, did it? So, put a melon back in there. Alright, so we put our rolls in. If you have some up and some down, it always looks like more realistic to me. And then our sail, just a simple question of a couple of these. One in the back. Sometimes it needs one just a little bit of support with the back, so it doesn't fall over on your buffet. You know, that's the last thing you want, falling over. Don't like that. Okay. or both. Okay?
Heating the gas is water heating.
Take that down a little bit. There we go, it's better. Right, any questions? So remember, all this stuff should be, if you like, there should be fun things to do in the kitchen. Right? It just takes away from the daily grudge of doing it all.